What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be talking about how you can outreach to other website owners and potentially get backlinks by finding broken links on their website. So I found this really cool tool which many veteran SEOs probably already know about. So for you guys, don't watch this video, don't worry. For new people like me who's starting out, it's a really cool tool. It basically allows you to scan a website and find all of the broken links. And what's interesting is, the funny thing is, the person who I learnt the course from, which is Franklin Hatchett, I actually found a few broken links on his website because I thought, oh, let me just test it to see what I find on his site. Like, I don't know, I didn't think I was going to find anything, but I thought, let me just try. And when I did, I found some broken links. So it's really interesting because the idea and the concept behind what I'm talking about, which I'm going to actively show you in just a second, is that basically when you find broken links on a website, especially obviously if it's within your niche, if you've got like a relevant post that could potentially fit that area of where their link is broken, then you can obviously, help them out, first of all, by identifying the problem, because that's a killer on SEO. Search engines crawling the site, finding broken links that don't lead to anything, because if they haven't got it redirected, then it's just a blank canvas. It's just kind of like a leak in their site, because sites are supposed to be systematic. So if you've got like a leak of something that's just broken, then obviously that's a bad thing for SEO. So if you can highlight that to a website owner, and then obviously at the same time tell them, or not tell them, sorry, but request from them at the same time that you would, potentially like them to fill the broken link with a link to your site, especially if you've got a great topic that can really help their audience, then it's a great way of getting a backlink. And if you find authoritative sites within your industry, then this is a great way of obviously potentially outreaching and really helping other sites and helping yourself at the same time. So anyway, I talked too much. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, great. So I found this actual tool, or website I should say, from the one and only Chase Reiner. So I don't want to overlook exactly where I found this, but this is a really good tool. And what it does is it actually finds broken links, duplicate content, and a lot of other different SEO factors or relevant information that you can use to your benefit. So in this, for the purpose of this video, what we're going to use it for is to potentially find competitors' websites that we can then obviously, find that are quite authoritative with broken links, reach out to them and get them to replace those links with links to our website. So what I'm going to show you first of all is we're just going to go over to a random site. So I'm actually going to use the example that I found because I know it works already. So I went to onlinedimes.com. So this is Franklin Hatchett's site. This is the same guy who I learned, all of my SEO skills from. So I put it down to him to the point that I'm at now. But basically, I came over to his site, Online Dimes. So it's a big site, it gets quite a lot of traffic. If we check it with SimilarWeb up here, it will bring up the amount of traffic that he gets, which it hasn't yet figured out for some reason. But anyway, so in the meantime, it gets over 100,000 visitors a month. And what we would want to do is basically get this actual URL and then we just paste it in there. So just take that away and then paste that in there. And what we're going to do is basically bring up all of the potential problems with this site. So where it's already scanned this site, it never redone it again. I thought it would. It's the second time I've used the tool, but it's really good. So basically it found all these broken links. And what's interesting is I was thinking, is it really broken links or not, or whatever else? So what you're ideally looking out for is 404 links. So these are ones that are, just dead. Like, 301s are good permanent links, redirects. But if you want, like, obviously, a broken link, you're looking for a 404 ideally. Okay, so if we were to go how to make money online and then we open that page, so we're going to right click on that and then open, it actually highlights exactly where the broken link is on the page. So one broken link found, page not found. So it's saying page not found, it's telling you error 404. Yeah, so broken link, it's the Shopify success story. Now, when we go down, we're going to find it on this page. So let's just have a look. It's not letting me scroll for some reason. Let's have a look. Let's get off this. Yeah, so we can come down and we're going to see like a red highlighted. There we go. So that's where it is. Yeah, my Shopify students. Now, if I open link in new tab, you can see here
This is how it opens. Now, you need to be careful with this tool, because if you open it like that, sorry, that isn't even it. I'm not sure if that is it. Wait, let's have a look. Page not found. Yeah, that must be it. It must have been fixed. So what we're going to have to do, and this is real life. You can see, obviously, you know, that I'm just coming in randomly. So what we can do, I think that was it as well. That was the link, I'm thinking. I think that was. So, Shopify success story. No, that's not the link. It says that Shopify students. Let's have a look at Shopify success story. And these things here, guys, for anyone who doesn't know, this is called anchor text. So this is like, you know, the actual word, the keyword that's used to click through onto the other site. So this is what we call anchor text in SEO. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not so sure that that's actually, I'm not so sure that that's actually the right anchor text. So let me just type in, it was a Shopify success story. So let's have a look. Shopify success. Or let's have a look. Yeah, so let's have a look. Okay, so that might be fixed. So I'm gonna do a real life example. So it's still got a few other links that it says is broken. Now, you got to check it on the actual website as well. So not just on the actual tool, because sometimes the tool can give you false indications. This is really good to check your own sites as well. So I was checking my own niche website that I've been building recently using this tool, and what it is, and that's where I found the fault, because it was showing me that there were broken links, but they wasn't broken. They were just links that I kind of, you know, in a way, the way I formatted the page, I can see why it kind of spilled up something, because I had like 3 different anchor texts joined in one sentence, but it's not actually, it was for the about me page, privacy policy and disclaimer. But, you know, really and truly, there was no problems. It was actually good links, you know, 301. So just be careful with the tool in that sense. Like, make sure you go to the site actually and then check it. Okay. And if you want to know how I just bring up, like earlier when I was checking on the site, I pressed Command F on a Mac or Control F on a PC, and you basically type in the keyword and it will find it on the page. Okay. So this is how we find stuff on pages. It's like a page search sort of thing. Okay. So I can see here, obviously, this is saying it's dead. So let's have a look again. Let's see if this is. Okay, so this is, it doesn't seem like it's dead. It's just a page not found. Oh, okay, let's have a look. So something to do with this. Yeah, not found looks like. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Okay, so what this is this is not a good example for trying to get a backlink. And the reason why is because this was like an affiliate link that he was linking to. So he was linking to an affiliate product, and they have changed their whatever. They're not currently listed on JVZoo anymore. So you can see obviously JVZoo up here. So you would obviously, you know, that wouldn't be good for you. Okay, so you can see it does work though. So it's actually crawled the link, and then it's found the broken page. So keyword competition, we'll check that. So you just continue on, guys. This is how you stay in the trenches, you know. So what we're going to do is a niche site. So this is saying micro niche site, error 202. Let's see if that's found. Boom. So this is a perfect example. So let's have a look and double check that's the same one. Yep. Boom. So that's a broken link. So you can see here he was linking to niche site or whatever he was doing. Look, might click on my niche site, and there's no link. So this would be a good chance to basically reach out. Now, this is obviously Franklin Hatchett. Like, you know, this is the guy who taught me how to do SEO. It wouldn't be in this example, but you'd usually go to the Contact Us page, and then you would basically, you know, copy that link, and then you would basically say, this is just a quick message regarding, sorry about my spelling, guys. And then you just put the link. Yeah, sorry. So you wouldn't put that. You take away all of that sightliner stuff. Okay, keyword competition. Yeah, I can. Then you might do like I can see your link is broken and was. See, so he hasn't. Okay, I can see your link was broken and wanted to give you a heads up. Whilst yeah, and then you want to let them know about the anchor text as well that it's using. So you want to let them know exactly what link, like, because it's going to be like, okay, there's tons of links on this page. I haven't got time to go through it. So it's going to be this one, yeah? So you could actually take a screenshot, Command Shift F4 on a Mac, and you could take a screenshot, or, you could just do a page screen print or whatever, and obviously leave them your email, and then you say the anchor on the link is niche site. Whilst you repair this, I thought that if you don't have any suitable content to link to, then I have a brilliant post on niche sites that I'm sure your audience will enjoy. Okay? And literally that's it. Like you literally just have to do that. That's it. Okay? And you just do this around the internet. Like you can do this for many different sites. And just to show you that this works, I'm going to go onto like a different website, and I'm also going to find another broken link because I'm so positive that it's just so many out there. So you just obviously put this in, the appropriate URL. Yeah, the URL you checked. Oh, this is weird. It's almost like he's already received these requests before. But no, it's almost like he's asking for that. But yeah, okay. And then your email address. But that's it. So like at the same time, let's go and check like a different site, because let me show you this from scratch and how this tool works. So let's think of a random site. Let's think of a site. Let's have a look. Niche pursuits. I don't know. Or no, let's just type best this, because best that, best this, best dog food brands. Okay, yeah. So it's going to be like some type of affiliate site or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. So anyway, it's going to be like an Amazon affiliate site or something. So there we go. Because it's Amazon. I bet you any money. Okay, that's not an Amazon product yet. Let's have a look. Okay, so they're not actually using. Oh no, let's have a look. Check online price. Probably one of them are going to be Amazon. Chewy. Okay, they're promoting Chewy products. But anyway, it's an affiliate site. So easy to find affiliate sites that quick. So what we're going to do is take that link, and we're going to want the whole URL. So we don't want that little specific page. And again, it shows you duplicate content. So it shows duplicate content, which is good for your own website as well. You don't want to be in the 90s, ideally, low. But let's just have a look. That's for a different video. So we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to press go. And this is going to scan. Now, this is going to take some time. So I'm simply going to come back onto the video when it's done. So not only did this take so long, it actually only pulled out one broken link page. And the reason is because on the free version of this tool, you only get to scan up to 250 pages. Now, what's interesting is it also shows you how many pages a website has. So you can see obviously here that it's showing you the website has 2,556 pages, which is really good, because if you're analyzing competition, then you can see how many pages they currently have that are indexed on search engines, and then that way you know what you're going up against. So you can see obviously skipped pages, how many it's skipped. You can see broken links, duplicate in your pages. So here is where we'd be looking, which is broken links, and this actually bring up a contact us page. So obviously, that's no good to us, but this is just for an example that there are broken links on all these different sites that you can think of. And let's just check that just over here. Let's have a look. I don't like all these tabs open. Bloody Nora. Give me anxiety. So let's just take a look. Where's that one open as well? Let's close that. Yeah, see, so you can see page cannot be found. So even you just doing them that favor, they know that that's hurting their SEO. So if you can potentially find that on different sites, guaranteed this is going to be a guaranteed method that you'll be able to contact those pages. And if you scratch their back, they'll probably scratch yours. So you've got to do something on the front end. And this is the exact thing what you need to be doing. And in that way, they'll potentially give you a backlink if it's a, just any site. Yeah. So just try and find ones that are really going to be beneficial to your backlink profile. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching.